Good morning from the city of Lancaster, California. Oh my gosh, it's such a beautiful day today. Truck, be quiet. I'm trying to talk. Look at the sunrise right over there. It just feels so nice, but I know it's gonna get hot later, so let's just continue with our delivery process. Welcome back, guys, to another video. If you guys haven't subscribed already, I would really recommend you guys subscribing. We're just here to have fun. We're here to have good vibes. And that's all this channel is, driving and good vibes. And, you know, moments with my family, with my wife, with my son. But right now, we are at our 9-to-5 job. And today they had me drive kind of far. You know, I reside in LA, and well, I'm over here in Lancaster, and right now I'm gonna make my way down to Palmdale. So let's just go. Palmdale, California, here we come. As it's 12 minutes away, which is honestly not too far. I mean, let's just have a good talk. All right, let's go. Let's just be as safe as possible. Can you guys hear that engine noise? Oh, yeah. Boot barn. We don't have a boot barn over there in LA. Well, I mean, that I know of. Oh my gosh. Can you guys hear that engine noise? Oh my gosh, this is a bump. Oh, listen to that engine. Oh, that fresh air is so refreshing. But yeah, I like this route because we only have 3 stops. One right now in Lancaster, which is this one, and then 2 in Palmdale, and then I'm done. I'll be done like around 9:30. So that'll be pretty good. But then the drive back is pretty much like a 2-hour drive back. So I get back at a good time, enough for me to just like clock out and go home. So it's a really good day today. And look what I usually like to write on my paper. Jesus loves you, John 3:16. I like to write that way I could spread the gospel. And hopefully you guys are having a blessed morning. It's Wednesday, March 18. Hopefully you guys are having a blessed morning. Be safe out there, guys. You know, there's a lot of reckless drivers. If you guys are handling any hazardous material or any heavy machinery, please be careful. We're all just trying to get back to our families at the end of the day, so let's just be careful. Have a blessed morning. Oh, some McDonald's. Dutch Bros. It's a good thing they're finally expanding towards like over there by LA. Oh man, there's a lot of cops. Oh, they're having a Chick-fil-A meeting. A meeting over there at Chick-fil-A. Hey, that sounds like a good time. Chick-fil-A right now? Oof. Alright, so let's jump on the freeway, 14 South. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, too bright. Too bright. A lot of people decide to move over here to Lancaster or Bakersfield or, you know, far away places. For all of you guys that live over here, how is it like? Do you guys like the weather? I know it gets really hot out here or really cold, but how's the living life like? Do you guys think it's worth it? Because I think it's a lot cheaper over here. That's why a lot of people decide to move over here. But how's it like, guys? Let me know. You know, because ideally if I were to like get a place, I'm thinking about moving away from LA, because sometimes the city life over there, the suburban life over there, it's, I don't know, sometimes it could get too hectic, and it's like man, cars like that are annoying. It's like, bro, either speed up or slow down. And they go at like the same pace as this truck, and trust me, like I try to either slow down or speed up, but in that case it's like, man, you need to speed up. And then this car's going so slow. I don't know. I don't think road rage is very necessary. I know there's a lot of road rage every single day. I've seen it with my eyes. I don't think it's that serious. You know, to the point where like people become so petty where they like don't want to let people merge in, or like they're over here fighting and stuff, flipping people off, honking. Don't get me wrong, like I honk sometimes, but when it's only necessary. Like if the light's green and the car in front of me hasn't gone for like 5 seconds, I'll honk, right? But, or if someone is gonna crash into me, yeah, I'll honk. But for the most part, I think road rage is unnecessary. It's not that serious. If someone wants to cut in, just let them cut in. If you feel like you could surpass them, then speed up and surpass them, you know? But it's never that serious. Yeah, and today it's gonna be really hot, so that's why I just came prepared with a short sleeve shirt. It's very thin as well, because it's gonna get really hot. I think it's gonna get like around the high 90s, and I know to a lot of people that's like fresh, because in some other places it goes up to like 120, 118, 115. So 100 is actually considered fresh, you know, for some people. But nah, man, for me, fresh is like a cool 70, 75 degrees. I have my waters. I think I'm good for, oh yeah, I have my mineral waters. Oh yeah, nice. I thought I just brought water bottles, but no, I forgot I have this Polar Seltzer. Nice. Oh, right into the sun. Yeah, perfect. Can't see a thing. Usually every time I get here, I still have to wait, you know, a while, but no, they're here. So I'm gonna offload. Oh, first let me just make sure I don't hit the post. All right, and just like that, we're done with the second delivery. All right, let's go on to our last delivery stop, and then we'll be done with the day. We're gonna take our lunch, and then we're gonna head back to the warehouse to clock out at 1 o'clock. So I don't really need the GPS location for this next stop. I already know where it's at. Ascend. And it's already starting to feel pretty warm. Yeah, and the drive to the next location, it's not that bad. We're gonna see some really good sightings right now. To the other location, the environment starts to look a little bit more ghetto, but right here it looks really nice. Look at all this open area. It looks nice over here. Palmdale Church. I mean, these houses are not the best, but you know, you're in a quiet neighborhood, I assume. Alright, I think this is our street right here, Palmdale Boulevard. Like, if you live around here, look, you got a Sizzler, you got a El Toreo West, Mexican food, you got a 7-Eleven, Albertson, Subway. You got this little, you know, small markets right here, small liquor shops. But where's the gym though? You know? Or I mean, you can work out at home too. Yeah, so my goal right now is to get 1,000 subscribers. So if all of you guys that are watching would subscribe, I would really appreciate it. I'm trying to get monetized. I'm trying to show everyone that I could get monetized, and I want to make this my full-time job. So that's my goal for this year of 2026, is to get monetized. Starbucks. Last Chance store. Are they open? No, they're not open. Is that like a thrift shop? Alright, we're here at the last location. We made it safe and sound. And I think they are there. So alright, so we just finished with our last delivery. Now it's time to go pump some gas. Which one of my coworkers went to Dutch Bros? Didn't bring me any. Alright. Damn. $6.29 for gas. Well, for diesel. I mean, good thing it's not my card pump. That way we can just take our lunch and chill back for a sec. But I mean, even though with half a tank, you still require a lot of money to fill this thing up. I think it's actually going to reach the cap limit of 175. That's how much the card accepts. All right, that's good. So that's pretty much everything for the video, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Click the video that YouTube is going to recommend right over there to the side, and I'll see you guys on the next one.